This is the start to the dusty old garage paint job. Started out good. Then the fender started bubbling up one of the kick panels. Didn't like it. And Blake's bike looking good. Got the new bags. Don't mind that. We got to sand that back down and redo that tomorrow. And that. Sucker looking good. Got them 6x9 lids. Stretch bags. Stretch fender. Yes, sir. Looks like ass right now, but we sanded it back down, reprimed it. Got it looking good. Ready for some color again. Got a few light coats on there, and it was sticking good. Then I had my job foreman come out. Sheesh. That ain't even sanded and buffed yet.
From the back, I make a pussy fart. Hey, pull up on that boy and pop him like a toy. I don't came so far, but this shit just started.
Not bad for an old garage paint job. Got it all wet sanded down. Ready for my man D.I.Y to come over and buff it out. Check Cletus out. It's the back fender. Not bad for dusty old. When did I put a mirror in the middle of my shop? I mean, it keeps moving. It's a weird mirror. Oh, wait, that ain't a mirror. Oh, shit. Holy shit. It's not a stand-up mirror. It's a saddlebag. You got it? Oh. Holy shit, mate. Got her looking good. Yes, sir.